Good evening, folks. Here we are live, Blizzard 2026 from Cultural Center Trains. Been busy working on the old train and cleaning up some wiring and moved the control panel. Control panel used to be right there and just kind of stuck out like a sore thumb, and so I made a drawer that pulls out here. Got a place to store some extra rail cars back there, and got my little old control panel. And you see here, this is hands-free. We're going to turn this control panel on. Then we're going to turn the lights on. Oh, we turned on the vacuum cleaner too. We'll unplug the vacuum cleaner. Turn the lights on. Now let's go ahead and turn the pump jacks and everything on. All that. That's right. Hands free. And we got trains running. Spent the past 2 days digging around and crawling around under this train table, cleaning up some of the wiring, and like I said, moved that control panel. That turned out to be a fairly large undertaking, and by the time I got all the lights and everything wired back up, for your listening pleasure, we have a little big head Todd tonight. In case y'all thought all I listened to was the blues, it's not. Pretty much, but it's not. Anyway, here it is, Blizzard 2026. Got barely any snow at all. Used to go to school and storms worse than this. When we was poor when I was a kid, my sister and I had to share a pair of shoes. So we'd hop, on the way. Had to hop on the way to school. Of course, it was uphill both ways, knee deep snow. We're hopping. Shared a pair of earmuffs. Just had one pair of earmuffs. We'd have our old heads pressed together. God forbid one of you sneeze, be shooting snot sickles out your nose. Oh, it's terrible. It's dreadful. Just terrible. Poor, cold, hard life. Hard life. Been blessed. Blessed child of the Most High God's what I am. And I'll claim it. Favor's not fair. And I am a blessed child of the Most High God. Sent me snow, so I'd have 2 days to do something that I've been dreading, been putting off. Wanted to do, but didn't want to do it. Did it. It's done. Thrilled. Folks, have a great day. God bless you. God bless America. We love you. Come see me. Come see the train. We love you. Bye-bye.